Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. A little something different for you today. Yep, it's an 18 Dodge Challenger. We installed a few cool parts. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. But hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us, stay up to date. I know you always watch these videos and you see a lot of Mustangs and trucks, but when you watch our shop tours, as we're walking around the shop, you will see we do build a variety of vehicles here at Brenspeed. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, here's what we have. 18 Challenger. It's the 5.7. It's an automatic, 93 octane. Cool mods installed. Doug, come down here, take a look. So not a lot of C up top. Like I said, it's a 5.7 Hemi. Already had the air cooler intake and BBK throttle body. We installed a Texas Speed camshaft and a set of Cook's headers. That's it for the mods. But not just the Texas Speed camshaft. You got to do push rods, valve springs, lifters, MSD delete. Check out this dyno pull. All right, let's check out the numbers. Dyno jet, it's a 224X chassis dyno, rear wheel, 391 real horsepower. I love it. Peaking at 5200 RPM. Awesome torque, 396, peaking right at 4900. Great numbers for the mods on the 5.7. I want to take one more look at the car. I really dig this. I mean, I love the black wheels. I love the blue. It's super cool. It's clean. And hey, it's an automatic. So if you wonder what something like this costs to get installed, or maybe you have a different type of vehicle, simply email quote@brenspeed.com. We can let you know. Leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.